hold Eli. Your hands. Here, try the small one. It's crunchy. I felt like there was no point. Hello guys! It is Tuesday. Hapon na, mag-aalauna na. I'm heating up my adobo, yung niluto natin kagabi. And yung rice ko ready na siya. Hinihintay ko na lang na like mainit talaga siya. Na bongga. Masarap, marami pa din siyang sabaw. Ipipick up natin si Eli ngayon. Si Eli lang. Kasi sabi ni Aunt, siya na daw mag-pick up kay Theo mamaya after ng work niya. Hanggang ngayon, operating pa din yung schools, guys. The kids are still going to school. So, ngayon at saka bukas, ako yung pipick up kay Eli sa school. And Theo is still going sa childcare. So, meron pa din yung mga workers na pwede naman magtrabaho sa bahay. Yun, I think nagtatrabaho na sila sa bahay. Pero yung mga taong nagtatrabaho pa din naman, they practice social distancing. As of now ha, again, my vlogs are 1 week delayed. Okay, luto na yung ating rice. Kain na tayo guys. Gutom na ako.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I sensed something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that.
Tapos na ako mag-lunch. Ready na rin ako umalis, kaya lang hindi pa time eh. So, ang gagawin ko is declutter. Declutter pa more. Oh my gosh, ang gulo-gulo na ditong kwarto na to, guys. Tingnan nyo. Nilabas namin yan kasi nung nagpunta dito yung nag-coat kahapon, gusto niyang i-check. Gusto niyang tingnan kasi gagamitin niya. Pero yeah, yan. Tingnan nyo naman to, ang gulo-gulo. Nagawa ko na yung jewelry ko. Finally, nasabi ko na ba yun? Nagawa ko na yung jewelry ko. So, nakip ko na yung mga jewelry na ikikip ko yun. And yung iba na isostore ko nandito na. So, kailangan ko na lang tong punuin tong box na to and then I'll be happy. Nagpa-alarm na ako para hindi ako ma-carried away sa aking gawain. Baka wala pang sumundo kay Eli kasi nagdi-declutter pala. Kunin ko lang yung ring light na nandun sa taas and I'll try to fit it in that box. Kasi konti na lang yung kulang ng box na yan, puno na yan. Okay. Agoy. May mga lights pala ako dito. Dito yung mga lights para sa aking, lighting equipment. Alright, so that's not gonna fit. Ay.
They just don't belong.
Put alcohol, Eli. Your hands. Rub it with your other hand. It's like washing hands. Like this. Okay?
What is it?
It's to kill germs. It's alcohol. Like this.
Too hot.
Does it hurt?
Yeah, like that.
You have a cut there. Just blow it. May sugat pala siya. Ang laman nito is, ano siya, yung 70% alcohol. Yung original na laman nito is 40% lang. So, inubos ko na yun. Naubos ko na yun matagal na. Nilagyan ko siya ng 70%. Alright, ready, Eli? Let's go! We are home. What do you want to eat? What do you have in here? We've got grapes, apples. Let's see what's in the fridge. Oh,
I think you like to put the camera there.
do you want to eat some fruit? Huh? What do you want? We've got apples, pear. Oh, what do you want from here? Let's see what's in the fridge. What did you have for dinner last night?
I don't know.
You don't remember? Okay, let's see. There's something in here.
What about that yogurt?
Do you want yogurt? What do you want to put in the yogurt? Just yogurt? Strawberries. You want strawberries in your yogurt? That's perfect. Okay, let's do that.
We have 2 for Sunday next day.
Okay. Alright. Yogurt and strawberries it is.
That's the flavour. I'm done the yogurt.
You're done with the yogurt? Do you want to eat something else? No? You're good? Did you finish your food? That's empty. That's good. Empty. That's good. Good job, Eli. What was your lunch today? Ah, you don't like the crust?
Yeah, the hard bit.
You don't like the hard bit. My hard bit. Ayaw nila kinakain. Hindi nila kinakain yan. Silang dalawa ni Theo. Ayaw nila ng hard bit. Alright. Good job. You did well. Here's your water. Drink some water. Mama niya bahala dito. Prepare niya yan para bukas. Do you wanna try banana chips? Okay. Oh, do you wanna change your clothes first? Change your uniform into a house clothes. You finish with this?
I think I'll change it into a mango juice.
Okay, go for it. Patayin natin sa kanya banana chips. Nagdala ko banana chips, guys, snack. At saka dried mangoes. Kung ano pinapatry. Busog na siya. Nag-yogurt siya with strawberries. And may ilang oras tayong kasama si Eli. Mga 5:30 siguro darating na yung mama niya. And it's 3:28. Siguro didiretso si Dan dito after ng work niya. Do you wanna try these snacks? We have mango and banana. Which one do you wanna try?
I think that one.
The mango? Okay. I like that one. Yeah. Here, try the small one.
I just saw Wonder Woman got that guy.
Okay. Let me know if you like it.
Actually.
Is it good? Yay! Nanghingi pa siya ng more pa, guys.
What? That's a big one.
That's alright. You found a small one? Okay. Next one, you try this. This is good as well. I like this. There we go, Eli. It's crunchy. Do you like it? Which one do you like better? That one or this one? Both? That's good. Ito yung snack naming dalawa, guys. Habang nanonood ng... What are we watching, Eli? What's this?
Supergirls.
Supergirls? Okay. Ito yung TV nila. Kasi diba yung lumang TV nila nasira? Kasi binato ni Theo ng toy. Tingnan nyo, ang nipis-nipis. Mas may napis pa yan sa phone ko, guys. Sobrang nipis niya talaga. Ay, nakakabit na siya. Naka-attach na talaga siya sa wall. So, hindi siya mahuhulog. Kid-friendly siya. Meron na rin kasamang soundbar. Bahay na ako, guys. Meron lang akong gustong sabihin. Meron lang akong gustong i-address. Wala pa si Dan eh. So, may time pa tayo mag-chika-chika. Gusto ko lang pong humingi ng pasensya sa mga tao na na-offend ko or medyo nagalit, hindi ko alam. Hindi ako nagbasa ng comments kasi sabi na Dan, wag mo nang basahin yung comments. So wala din naman talaga akong plano magbasa ng comments today. Nabother lang ako kasi sinabi sa akin na Dan kanina, first thing in the morning, tumawag siya, nag-edit ako, sabi niya, hindi yun yung tinawag niya. May tinawag siyang iba. But, sinabi niya na, oh, yung video mo last night, maraming mga nag-react negatively. I'm talking about the video where nag-start kami bumili ng mga stuff to stock dito sa bahay. Marami na kayong mapapanood na vlogs after nung vlog na yun kasi nga, yung vlog ko is 1 week delayed. Gusto ko lang sabihin na pasensya na, hindi ko po sinasadya na makasakit or maka-offend ng kahit na sino. What I felt that day was, and I'm not saying na tama ako or anything like that. Again, sorry kung naka-offend ako or kung nakasakit ako ng feelings nyo. But, ipagtanggol ko lang din yung sarili ko ha. What I felt that day was, feeling ko talaga hindi talaga necessary na gawin namin nung araw na yun. Si Dan, tumawag sa akin siya nung umaga and sabi niya baka i-cancel natin yung flights natin to Maldives. And I was like, okay, if we have to, that's fine. Kasi nga, health comes first. And ayaw naman natin na maging pabigad sa gobyerno kapag sinuggest nila na wag. Gusto ko lang sabihin hanggang ngayon, wala pa ding lockdown dito sa Australia. Wala pa po. Again, iba-iba tayo ng sitwasyon. And again, sorry kung yung pag-share ko ng sitwasyon namin is masyadong insensitive or parang lumalabas na insensitive sa tao na may lockdown na. Yun yung realidad. Ito talaga yung nangyayari sa amin dito. Now, back to that day, I just really didn't feel like kailangan namin siyang gawin. Para sa akin, tama ako. It has been a week, guys, and open pa din yung mga shops. Tama ako na we didn't really have to do it that day. Hindi naman namin kailangan gawin agad-agad. I was thinking na pwede naman natin siyang gawin kinabukasan, diba? Though, again, hanggang ngayon, open pa din yung shops. Makakabili pa din kami. Wala pa din kaming lockdown. Para sa akin, wala akong sinabing masama. Kasi hindi ko naman sinabi na hala kayo din, wag din kayong mamili. Sabi ko lang naman, kung ako lang ha, kung ako lang to mag-chill ako sa bahay. Kasi I didn't feel the need to go out. I didn't feel the need to like panic buy. And when I said na hindi ako nanonood ng news, hindi siya ganun ka-accurate because I do watch the news. Hindi lang ako nakatutok 24/7. Hindi ako kasing updated ni Dan. Kasi sila nakasubscribe siya sa mga newsletter or whatsoever. Ako, na noon nakakanood lang ako ng news kapag dumating na si Dan sa bahay tapos naka-on ng news. So yeah, I am aware kung ano yung mga nangyayari. But then again, sa nangyayari dito, I felt like there was no point na mag-panic buy nung time na yun. But then again, pasensya na kung na-hurt ko yung feelings ng iba. Kahit na hindi ako 100% sang-ayon, pumunta pa din naman ako, diba? Sinuportaan ko din naman yung gustong gawin ng asawa ko. So we have food now. We have medicine. We just got medicine yesterday. But then again, the shops are still open. I know na it is a very sensitive topic, especially na iba-iba yung sitwasyon natin. Iba-ibang bansa, iba-iba yung sitwasyon. Because I know right now, some of you guys are at home, hindi makalabas. And ako, kakagaling ko lang sa labas because wala namang lockdown. Pero kapag sinabi nila na total lockdown, we will follow. I totally understand where you guys are coming from. At the end of the day, gusto naman natin lahat na matapos na to, diba? Wala namang may gusto na walang stock yung ibang tao or wala namang may gusto na mag-panic ba yung mga tao. Pareho naman tayo lahat ng gusto na sana matapos na to lahat para wala nang problema. Also, meron pa akong mga vlogs before itong vlog na to. So again, kung may mga nasabi man ako dun sa mga vlogs na yun na medyo off, pasensya na po. Hindi po ever kung sasadyain na may masaktan sa mga sasabihin ko. Siguro kung feeling nyo off yung sinabi ko, ulitin nyo and like, pakinggan nyo ulit kung ano ba siya sinabi niya, masama ba talaga. Okay lang sa akin mag-comment kayo ng kahit na ano. Okay lang naman sa akin. Ilabas nyo yan because I know lahat tayo may pinagdadaanan. Please take care, everyone. And pasensya na po ulit. Nagluluto ako guys ng ginataang salmon. Paksiw. Ginataang salmon paksiw. Pero yeah. Malapit na siya maluto. Or actually, luto na siya. Gusto ko lang ma-reduce yung sabaw ng konti. I'm just preparing Dan's lunch. And inopen ko yung isang box ko ng A-Green A. Yung ito, meron pala ng malaki. Akala ko yung pinakita ko sa inyo last time, yun na yung pinakamalaki. Meron pala, so perfect siya sa baking tray namin. Tray ba tawag dito? Yeah. Perfect yung size niya. Kasi sabi ko yung, akala ko yung, ano ko noon, yun na yung pinakamalaki. Sabi ko, ang liit naman ito. And ngayon, ubos na talaga yung ano namin, baking paper. So, wala na kaming baking paper. Buti na lang pag-open ko ng isang rolyo, meron palang mahaba talaga. Nagsumbok pa ako sa kambal niya kasi sa kambal ni Dan ko ito nalaman, diba? Tapos nung nakita ko na nagbe-bake siya, tapos gamit siya ganito, may mahaba. Sabi ko, bakit wala ganyan yung akin? Yung akin yung pinakamalaki yung ano lang. Maliit. Sure ako na in-order ko yung lahat ng sizes kasi set siya nung in-order ko siya. And sabi ni Aunt, baka na mali sila. Ayan, ang galing naman. O, diba? Mahaba na siya, guys. Yung isa ko na na-open ko na, lagi kong ginagamit. Ano nga eh, nirap ko sa talong. Kasi yung talong na ginamit ko sa paksiw kanina, half lang ng malaking talong. Hugasan lang natin siya. Tapos ilagay natin siya dyan. Laging nata-timing na ito yung ginagawa kong lunch para kay Dan. Lumalabas tuloy, ito lang talaga yung lunch niya. So, gagamitin ko yung plastic na pinaglagyan ng chicken. Kasi nga wala na tayong baking paper. Ngayon, gamitin ko pang cover kasi parang ipa-flat natin siya. Lagyan lang ng salt and pepper. Gustong-gusto ko to kasi salt and pepper na siya. Diba? Hindi mo nga lang tansya kung magkano yung salt, magkano yung pepper. Pero, gusto ko siya. Ito na din yung ginagamit ko din sa steak niya. Kapag nagsiseason siya ng steak. Alright. Ilalagay natin yung ating cheese, yung spinach na may cream cheese at saka cheddar cheese. Tapos irarap natin yan. And then i-bake natin kasi yung ating oven is ready na. First time ko yan gagamitin yung first time ko to gagamitin itong silicone ba to? Let's see kung ano magiging resulta niya. Lagyan na natin sa oven. Ang init. Hey Google, set timer for 25 minutes.
Alright, 25 minutes. And that's starting now.
Thank you. Ito yung itsura, guys. In fairness, nag-last naman siya. Though hindi naman siya ganun katagal doon. 25 minutes ko lang siya nilagay sa oven. Mainit siya, pero hindi sobrang init. Warm lang. Okay lang siya. Iya, ganyan yung itsura niya, oh. Okay lang. Hugasan ko siya right away. After ko kunin yung chicken, of course. Tapos I'll let you know if okay lang ba siya hugasan. Sobrang bilis lang yan natanggal, guys. Yung ginawa ko is nilagyan ko lang ng aming dishwashing liquid. And then, laba. Laba lang. Ganyan. Mabilis siya matanggal. Kasi non-stick siya eh. Nasugasan mo lang. Yun lang. Diba? At least walang nasasayang na baking paper. Walang nadi-dispose na baking paper. Hindi ito sponsored ha. Binili ko to. I-leave ko yung website nila sa description box. A Green A. I'm not sure if I'm reading it right. Pero yeah. I-leave ko siya sa description box. Kailangan lang hugasan ng maayos para sure na wala na siya ng sabon-sabon. Every after gamit, hand wash. Tapos, nilalagay ko lang siya dyan sa pile ng mga dinadry ko. Mabilis lang naman ito mag-dry. Ayun. Linis na. Diba? Ayan. Kakarating lang ni Dan. Hello! Oh, you did it? I thought I heard someone earlier. Like 10 minutes ago. Sorry? Sorry? It was you? Ano daw? Was it you or no?
Yeah.
Ah, it was you.
Yeah, all that time I was looking at Mark.
Okay, Mark Lovely?
Mark Lovely. Yeah. I think so.
Yeah, finished. Oh, you know what? We have a big one. See? The big one that fits in the tray?
Big one.
Yeah, this. The green thing.
Oh, yeah.
The silicone thing, yeah. This is ready. It's still hot. We'll cover it later.
Leave it later. Leave it out. I'll be later.
Yeah. Alright guys, nakamask na tayo. Yun yung vlog. Sana guys na-enjoy nyo. Please like if you did. Please subscribe kung gusto nyo lang naman. Kung hindi, kung ayaw nyo na, okay lang. Naiintindihan ko. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Bye. Good night. Be good. Mwah. Bye, my love. Good night.
Good night, everyone.
Wow. You okay?
Mm-hmm.